In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stacks in Wix Studio and add blank stacks quickly using the Quick Add feature. If you're new to Wix Studio or simply looking for a way to streamline your design process, you're in the right place. So let's get started with this easy step-by-step guide. First, navigate to your Wix Studio editor. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus icon in the interface. This icon is crucial because it's your gateway to accessing the Quick Add menu, which we'll be using shortly. The plus icon is typically located at the left-hand side of your editor, but it can vary slightly depending on your layout settings. Clicking this icon will open a side panel with several options, so don't be shy, go ahead and give it a click. Next, in the panel that just opened, look for the Quick Add option. This feature is designed to make your life easier by providing a streamlined approach to adding elements to your project. You'll see it listed among other options, and it's usually quite prominent, thanks to Wix's user-friendly design. Clicking on Quick Add will reveal a submenu of items that you can add instantly, saving you from navigating through multiple menus. Now, focus on finding the stack option within the Quick Add submenu. Adding a stack is a great way to organize content flexibly and creatively. It allows you to group elements and move them together, maintaining your design structure. Stacks are essential tools for ensuring your content stays cohesive, especially when dealing with complex layouts. Once you've located the stack option, select it, and a blank stack will be inserted into your workspace. It's that simple. Wix has streamlined this process to just a couple of clicks, letting you focus on your creative work. After you've placed your stack, it's time to edit and style it to fit your project. Start by clicking on the Edit Text option. This action allows you to customize the text within your stack, tailoring it to meet the specific needs of your design. Text editing in Wix is pretty intuitive, letting you adjust fonts, colors and sizes with ease. Take your time here, experimenting with different looks until you're happy with the result. Remember, good design often involves a bit of trial and error, so don't hesitate to explore different possibilities. As you work, remember to keep an eye on how your design elements interact within the stack. The beauty of using stacks lies in their flexibility. They allow for components to be moved, resized, and styled collectively or individually, depending on your needs. This consistency can lead to a more polished and professional appearance in your final product. By following these simple steps, you've effectively utilized the Quick Add feature to enhance your design with stacks, making the process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Wix Studio.